Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can install Joplin, and yeah, let's get straight into it. First, go to your Google account and then type in Joplin, and basically the official website is joplinapp.org. So like so, click on that, and this is the official website. Now just go here and click on download the app like so, and the download will start automatically, as you can see right over here, for exe file for your computer. If you want to use this on mobile, you have here the buttons for Google Play or App Store. So this is basically how you can install it. And now what you can do is just install it as every other program, and wait a little bit, finish. Now it will open up the program. We just need to wait a little bit, and this is it. Now we have successfully installed the Joplin in our computer. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next